So we had a coop that was 70 years old. It was falling apart. It didn't fall in line with the regulations of the government. We spent 2 weeks tearing it down and a week building new coops. They are stunning coops, lots of vibrant colors. We actually have, these are the blue peacocks. We have 1 male and 2 females. And then we also have 2 white peacocks, 1 male and 1 female. So it was actually quite a large coop. We have a lot of new ideas for the area that's going over there. We are putting flower beds behind the coops, so we have flowers for the tortoises. We also have room to expand. Here.
So